Sri Lankan chicken curry, also called kukul mas curry, is bold, spicy, and deeply aromatic, made with a blend of roasted spices, coconut milk, and curry leaves. It's a staple in many Sri Lankan households, often served with rice, string hoppers, or roti. Ingredients for the chicken marinade: 1 kilo chicken, bone in pieces preferred, 112 TBSP Sri Lankan roasted curry powder, or regular curry powder, 12 TSP turmeric powder, 1 TSP salt juice of 12 lime or 1 TBSP vinegar. For the curry, 2 to 3 TBSP coconut oil or vegetable oil, 1 large onion, finely sliced 3 to 4 garlic cloves, minced 1-inch piece of ginger, minced 2 to 3 green chilies, sliced, adjust to taste, 1 sprig curry leaves, 1 small cinnamon stick or 1-2 TSP ground cinnamon, 1-2 TSP chili powder, adjust to heat preference, 1 TSP coriander powder, 1-2 TSP cumin powder, 1-2 TSP black pepper, 1 cup thick coconut milk, 1 cup water or thin coconut milk, salt to taste, 1 tomato, chopped, optional, 1 TSP sugar, optional. Instructions: 1. Marinate the chicken in a large bowl. Mix the chicken with roasted curry powder, turmeric, salt, and lime juice. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, overnight if possible for deeper flavor. 2. Prepare the spice base. Heat coconut oil in a heavy bottom pot over medium heat. Add curry leaves, cinnamon stick, onions, garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Saute until onions are golden brown and soft. This builds the flavor base. Add dry spices, lower the heat slightly. Add chili powder, coriander, cumin, and black pepper. Stir continuously for about 30 seconds, just until fragrant. Don't let the spices burn. Add the marinated chicken to the pot and stir well to coat with the spices. Sear the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes until lightly browned. 5. Add liquid. Add chopped tomatoes if using. Then pour in the water, or thin coconut milk. Bring to a simmer, cover, and cook for 20-25 minutes on medium-low heat until the chicken is nearly done and tender. 6. Add thick coconut milk. Once the chicken is cooked through, stir in the thick coconut milk and simmer uncovered for another 10 minutes. This will thicken the gravy and mellow the spices slightly. Taste and adjust seasoning. Add a pinch of sugar if the curry is too spicy or tangy. Final touch. Let the curry rest for 15-20 minutes after cooking. This allows the flavors to deepen. Garnish with more curry leaves or a squeeze of lime before serving. Serving suggestions: serve with steamed white rice pul roti, coconut flatbread, string hoppers pitu, steamed rice and coconut mixture. Tips and notes. Roasted curry powder is essential to authentic flavor. You can buy it from Sri Lankan or South Asian stores, or make it at home by dry roasting coriander, cumin, fennel, cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. Coconut milk adds richness. Use full-fat canned coconut milk and avoid sweetened types. Curry leaves are crucial for the signature aroma. Use fresh or frozen if possible. Dried ones are less aromatic. For a thicker, darker curry, simmer longer and allow the coconut milk to reduce. Adjust chili to your spice tolerance. Sri Lankan curries are traditionally spicy, but you can reduce the chili powder and green chilies if needed. Approximate prep and cook time. Prep 30 minutes plus marination. Cook 40-50 minutes. Total, 1 hour, 20 minutes. This dish captures the essence of Sri Lankan cooking: warming spices, coconut richness, and bold heat. It's comforting, delicious, and well worth the time. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will meet next chapter. Thank you for watching.